Hello everyone, this is Matt from Tent and Table, and I want to talk to you a little bit about the SX69 Vinyl Cement Glue that we use. Just about anyone in the inflatable, tent, or rental industry can tell you about how great these types of vinyl glues are, and just how much that they really accomplish for them. And so I really wanted to bring this up because it's one of those things that not a lot of people get to know about this type of glue, is that yeah, it's used in our industry quite a lot, but it's not exclusive to that. We have this whole list here that we want to show you, and even this list says a whole lot more, and it's not lying or kidding or anything like that. I mean, one of the things that we have is I got this picture of this old sort of wooden chair we've had in our home, and I know just about anyone can say that you have these wooden chairs for a while and eventually you get the wear and tear. Glue would actually be used perfectly to put that back together. I know a lot of people have pools, and especially up here in Buffalo, when the snow starts coming, you gotta put out these heavier sort of winter covers to kind of keep them covered and keep your pool from freezing over. You can use this glue to put a patch on there and keep it safe, repaired. Even like your kids' soccer balls or any of the sports balls that they have sitting around in the garage. I know growing up we had a lot of them, and just over the years a lot of those balls would start deflating because they'd have some sort of tear or rip in it somewhere. Getting a patch on that, you can use this glue again. Seriously, it's something you can use for just about anything. You got an old shoe that the backing's starting to fall off of, you can throw the glue in there, keep your sole attached to your foot so it's not kicking up on you. And that's really what we wanted to talk about. I mean, this glue is really, it's a cheap option to go through. I mean, you can get an 8-ounce can of it for just $12.99. It's one of those things you can just use for so many different needs, it's almost foolish not to take advantage of it.